Saturday, August 3rd, let's do it on the Knoll at our 90s dance party with 90s icon Vanilla Ice.
Alright, stop, collaborate and listen.
CNC Music Factory will also bring the hits that'll make you sweat. Tickets on sale now at etix.com or ckAmp.com. That's ckAmp.com.
Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it.
Saturday, August 3rd, Castle Knoll Amphitheater in Paoli, Indiana presents a 90s dance party for the ages with Vanilla Ice, CNC Music Factory, and DJ MKC.
If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it.
Get your tickets now and make plans to be at Castle Knoll Amp in Paoli, Indiana. Saturday, August 3rd. Dig in your closet for that classic 90s look and get ready to dance and party like it's 1999 by getting tickets at etix.com or ckAmp.com. Let's do it on the Knoll. Castle Knoll.
Word to your mother.